So that's something we want to use that's strong fish Scandinavian some fish all oil so it's time to send out that I'm going to so I want to use this one just like this one is it me it was all open just wait for the air fryer to preheat and we'll get this in. Let's get this in there. Now there you go. Now as I say, this is all just like sort of guesswork. I've never done it before, so get that back on. Now we're going to bake it because it's a pie, so you bake the pie in the oven. So bake a pie in the air fryer. Put it a little bit slower than that, a little bit colder. So 180 degrees, 17 minutes we'll say, eh? Right, so that's the air fryer finished. Get a look through there, look at that. Look at that. That looks good, that. Right, let's get this out and get it on a plate. Right, look at that. Look at how good that looks. Now, a bit more else off the air fryer, just have to wait for leaf, I'll tell. That's fine, again, and make edges. Get things units. No wait, you can hear crispy. That pieces. Right, something else. Well, put it off, lay off, no. No, that's what you do this, go to the game. Get on the plate there. You see the steam coming off, nice and cooked there. There's all the little bits. Now to do this, no, you can just put it in the pan. If you want to make hot, I'll take it up and just scrape it out. That's just ahead. What you want is you can see the inside of the fire as well. It's all cooked in the fire. You can still see how much of the steam from it. See, still in now. Straight that way. You can see it. Look at that. And that's a Fray Bentos pie in the air fryer. Let's have a little taste of it. Taste the pastry. That's cooked good, that, you know. Pastry, nice and crispy, still fluffy as well, but what you want, that little crunch on it. The film, you already know how hot that is. I mean, you've seen the steam coming off it. But yeah, success. Fray Bentos pie in the air fryer works a treat.